Hi, first grade friends. I'm so glad you're here today. You have done such a good job of learning how to use data and learning how to record it into a graph. It's been fun to see your work on the Pear Deck and in Seesaw, especially where you're using your little circles to mark how many cats or dogs, how many more, how many fewer. I love it. It's been fabulous. Today isn't about teaching you a ton of new stuff. Today is more about practicing things that we know about graphing. So to start though, I thought it would be kind of cool to connect that idea of tally marks that we worked on way earlier in the year to graphing, because you can actually use tally marks to record important information. So today's Brain Pop Junior video is going to be a little bit about tally marks. It's also going to be talking about bar graphs. And don't worry, bar graphs are just like those little circle graphs you were doing, where you make little marks and little circles in the graph. Instead, a bar is just coloring in that space. That's all it is. So once you're done with the Brain Pop Junior video, I thought it'd be cool to try out Seesaw. So you'll click this picture here, and that will bring you over to Seesaw. You'll need to log in and look under the Activities button, just so you can kind of see where that is. That Activities button is going to be that little light bulb here. Okay, so look for that little light bulb. Once you get in there and you're ready to start your Seesaw, I would like you to go ahead and do your very, very best. Do all 7 slides. And then once you're all done, come back to our Pear Deck, because the next Pear Deck slide is going to be a quick question for you that you're going to leave on Flipgrid. All right. So you get to the Flipgrid by just clicking here. And once you click there, I have directions on what to do. We are mainly wondering, what hand do you write with? All right. So you'll leave your directions there, or once you get into the Flipgrid, I'll just click it so you can see what we're doing here. Once you log in, use your Jeffco sign in, go down here and you can push this button to hear Mr. Penny tell you the directions. And then once you're done listening to the directions, then you can add your response here. If you want to see how I did mine first, you can click there. All right. We're going to be using this information for tomorrow's math lesson. So make sure you leave your answer to this question today. All right. And once you're done with that, you are done with today's lesson. So short and sweet, but full of practice today, everybody. All right. Have a good one, and go outside sometime today and play in that beautiful sun or clouds or rain. Well, it's Colorado. You know how it is. Bye, everybody.